Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We've got a few unicorns at the moment jumping, like STSS and RDFN had acquisition with the deal of 2 billion, almost 2 billion, jumping up almost 100%. Now it's pulling back. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Lazy LG, good morning, man. How you doing? I will check Dell for you. Double bottom, interesting. I will check it. Happy Monday, Terry. Hi, John. Clau, buenos dias. Brian, Focal, how you doing, everybody? Let us check Dell because we might have double support situation here. Let's check. Yeah, it looked really interesting, guys. Dell toward the 86, yes. So we got the 86 and the 77 target. After the earnings, we continue to pull back, guys, for Dell. Yeah, we continue to pull back and we didn't have any reversal. Now we might witness a nice reversal for Dell. Let's see how much we could reverse. Yeah, it's getting near the bottom toward the 86. Interesting, man. I'm gonna put it on the swing trade stocks here. SMCI, guys, is still pulling back. We didn't have a breakout here for SMCI. We got down instead of gapping up. Yes, everybody, the market is open up a bit early today around the 2:30 because of daylight saving. So if you live in Europe, yeah, usually we go live around 3 p.m. Today we went around 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. because of daylight saving. This is will be fixed, I think, by next weekend or this week when Europe change for the summertime. If you're confused, guys, if you live in Europe, yes, today we did the live streaming early because we didn't change to the daylight saving yet. In my time right now, we are 2 p.m., not 3 p.m. Anyway, good morning, everybody. So as we said, guys, SMCI have a resistance at the moment around this channel. We didn't break it yet, so we need to break this channel up. We need to break around the 38.40. So far so good. It's still okay for SMCI, not that bad. For now, we have STS and RDVN, the top stocks for today. GV could be good today as well if we broke the $6.90. Good afternoon, John. How are you doing? Yes, let us do a little recap. As we said, guys, today we've got STSS jumped in the pre-market from the 30 cents, hit the resistance around the 55 cent. So this is the resistance that we have to break at the market open. And this is the first support that we should watch out for at the market open over the 40 cents. So if the market open and we're still holding the 40 cents, could be a good entry for a reversal. If you want to enter here, brother, make sure to take your profit around the 48 before even the 55, because we might have a wick price reverse around the 48, then continue toward the 33. 55 will be a good breakout, and of course target after that, if we have a continuation for this pump, is around the 58, 65 and 79. The second one, we have RDFN. This one had the huge news regarding acquisition. It's been acquired with almost 2 billion, and support at the moment to hold, it is over the 920. We establish a bit of consolidation over this level. If we continue to hold over this area, guys, the 920 and the $2.26, we might have a reversal and go toward the 1179. However, the current resistance at the moment that we pulled back from, it is around the $10.90. Yeah, $10.90 target. After that, we have 1180, 1323, 1474. BTOG, guys, from the last week is still jumping. We suggest to take profit here around the 77 in the pre-market. That's why we hit it and we pulled back. This one is still good, John, as long as we hold the 40 cents for today. Current resistance to break is 84, and the target is 111 and 150 if we broke this resistance around the 84. Finally, GV looking great. If we held the current support today over the 5, of course, and we need to break the 690 to go toward 918, and ultimate target is the 1580. Yeah, but I expect a pullback before that, before the 15. So the 15 is the top target, but we have the 9 and the 1130 to hit first. This is for the unicorn, guys. Unicorn today, we should watch out for. Good morning, Amis. Good morning. Let us check if we got something going on here. RDVN CKPT. CKPT, we got TRVI, SPRC, BDRX. Okay, we got a few stocks doing all right here. Let's check those new unicorn that just came. Okay, this one is offering CKPT, no good. TRVI could be good, guys. Yeah, it could be good. I'm gonna adjust the support for it around the 490, and the other support is around the 583. Current profit is around the 790. SPRC, one of the top gainer before. I still remember this one. We traded so many times. Let's check. Yeah, it is a bit heavily shorted here. We have the 62 to break. I'm gonna keep it on the list because it look really interesting here. Yeah, we have the 62 as a resistance. BDRX, one of the top gainer as well before, but is heavily shorted. Got the first split lately. Last year, yes. We got earnings coming up. I don't like it that much. Yeah, I don't like it that much. It is too risky play because the resistance is around the 692. Any price below the 692 is not good. So I'm gonna keep SPRC, TRVI looking really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the TRVI with S. For Bitcoin, yeah, the price getting near the 78, guys. Again, we might have another drop for Bitcoin. If we got, would be really great to watch out for the bottom around the 66, because right now we been accumulating here for a few months, and then the price pulled back down. We got a major resistance around the 99. So yeah, Bitcoin, it is on the turning point, guys. It is on the turning point. Okay, our DVN started to reverse a bit. Georgia, thank you, man. Thank you for stepping by, even though you have work. Thank you, man. Thank you for the support, brother. We appreciate it. Don't let your boss seeing you checking our YouTube. I don't want to get you fired. So STSS looking really interesting at the moment. 55, guys, it is the current resistance to break. RDFN and TRVI, those the top stocks right now, guys, and maybe GV. But for now, we got only those three. TRVI is doing pretty good at the moment. It's jumping like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, it looked really good here around the 580. We got target around the 790. We might hit before the market open. TRVI got earnings coming up, and it is interesting here. Yeah, we got a really good trend here. We might break this trend at the market open because we might witness a volatility for this stock. So I will watch the 577 pullback if we got a pullback, 15% reversal. We got another reversal zone. We might have it before that. It is around 611. So I'm gonna lower the other support here around the 560. So we have 611, 560 as a support. And I'm gonna lower this around the 760. Yeah, so TRVI looking interesting, guys, for a breakout at the market open. Thank you, man. Thank you, George. ATCH is not good, man. I took it from the list because it broke the support and went downhill. It went free falling. ICON, the same, free falling down. TRNR is not for good for today. It might be good for a reversal. Yeah, it's testing interesting support now. Yeah, TRNR could be a good one later. But now, yeah, it broke the trend down. Yeah, it could be good. But for now, we have to focus on just those 4 or 5 stocks. The top 3 are TRVI, which jumping at the moment, guys. TRVI, looking juicy. TRVI. Yeah, ATCH is dicey one. Yeah, TRVI looking really the best now after breaking out from the 680. ATCH took it from the list because it broke my support, and now it's reversing, so I don't like it. Yeah, it's reversing after we broke the support, so big no for me. Even if it reversed 100%, it will pass. TRVI, guys, we got a little breakout here. It could jump a little before the market open. Yeah, we might have a nice jump for it until maybe the 717. Yeah, this would be a great target to hit. The top target is around the $9 and the $10. But for now, we have the 717, which is the current resistance before the market open. Yeah, 717. After that, we have the 848. Hello, Ostamir. Of course, man. Here's my email address, brother. Trading.jesus.contact at gmail.com. Guys, if you have any question about our Patreon or Discord, or if you want to change your membership or whatever, you can send me an email toward trading.jesus.contact at gmail.com. This is the only secure way to contact with me, guys, because remember, we have many scammers, especially here on Discord. There's many scammers on Discord. So as a reminder, guys, don't reply to anybody have the same name or picture, send you any picture name like the first request, because I will never send the first message. This is the easiest way to note or remember the scammer. So never reply, and anybody pretend is me, and please report anybody send you the first message here on Discord. The only way is in Patreon or by our email. You are welcome. TRVI, guys, just came right now, is putting back before the market open. CKPTE, we got, yeah. Let us bring our disclaimer, guys, because we've got a few minutes left at the market open for today. Few minutes, only a few minutes left. Yeah. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time, okay? Or 30 minutes before the market open. And early hunt and live streaming 7 a.m. Eastern time, every day around our Discord and picture. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our hunter channel. In the meantime, remember to let the price come to you and never run after the price. In the meantime, hit the like button and the way in. Let us hit the 50 likes for today before the market open, guys. And start our first trading session for this week, Monday. So, as we said, STSS, RDFN, and TRVI are the top unicorn for today. We've got a few seconds left. Let the market open. Let us have a green day. VTOGO. GV is moving right now, guys, before the market open. We have a huge green candle. Interesting candle here. We might have a breakout from the 690. This would be a huge if we broke this level. Yeah, we might hit the 770 at least. Let's get right to it. Lift off. Let's get a lift off for the markets. SMCI is moving, guys. SMCI is moving toward the 3840. We might have a breakout here. Turning point. We've got the turning point, guys, for SMCI. This is the turning point here. If we broke it, would be great for SMCI for today. We might have the turning point for today for SMCI going on the green side now. Okay, SMCI is moving, guys. Oh, yeah, we have a huge movement for SMCI. Could be it. Palantir is moving as well. So we might have a little reversal here. Verizon, it is the strongest. It's the only one that closed in green last week. RDVN, guys, is still holding the support, so this is a good thing. STSS, nothing much. TRVI reversing from our trend here. Nice, still holding. GV got shorted just around our resistance. Yeah, TRVI should be number one right now with RDVN, guys. STSS is a bit weak. Let us bring SMCI here because it's doing really good in the on the market open because we have a breakout from the 3840. Now we got a target to go to around the 41. I'm gonna adjust the resistance now for SMCI around the 41, yes, to break. We have a good breakout from this flag, guys. Nice breakout. For now, we have a new support to hold over for this week over the 3558. Or I'm gonna put it just there around the 36.76. Yeah, this is a strong support that we should hold to confirm this breakout. So because we might have a fake out here and the price go down. So if this is a fake out, we're gonna break the 36.67. If it's not, we're gonna break the 41. TRVI, guys, is going toward the 7 again. RDVN. If you're wondering, guys, what's going on with this one have acquisition, huge acquisition for this stock. It's been acquired by a rocket company, 2 billion. So yeah, now is pulling back below the $11. It could be good. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the support here, 970. Yeah, it could be good if we have the 970 now. TRVI, guys, could be the best now. Yeah, TRVI, guys, it is the best. Is breaking out. It might get halted, guys. TRVI, it might get halted up. Have a really good trend here. Reversed perfectly from our support the trend line and jumped up again. So TRVI is number one for the unicorn. GV, nothing much for now. Got shorted around the $7, as you can see from this wick. We got rejected. So TRVI is the best, testing our resistance, the 717. We have even a breakout from it. Now it's pulling back just for, near it. So TRVI is still strong, guys. The trend is still holding. We need to break the 720 right now, and we might have our squeeze toward the 848. Yeah, so we only have two now, RDVN and TRVI as a good swing. Palantir is going down. Yeah, Tesla going down. Coinbase as well. So we have a red day, but Verizon is going up. Best Buy is going up. So perfect ones are Verizon and Best Buy for a swing trade, guys, are the strongest for today. Yeah, Best Buy is holding tightly over the 77.36. And Verizon doing a new high around the 46. Yeah, Verizon doing great. Palantir, we might have a huge red day for Palantir now if we broke the 78.64. If we broke, yeah, it might go toward the 77. This will be another 9% down. Let us check cryptos. Yeah, Bitcoin, guys, broke the trend here. Be careful. Once we broke the trend here, it was the market was a bit weaker. As you can see here, the market is a bit weaker. So we'll be watching for another pullback down if we broke the 78. TRVI, guys, is still below the resistance here. RDVN is still holding the support. SMCI is still holding the support as well. SMCI is the only one in green now. I'm gonna put the resistance at the moment around 39.62. If we don't break this level, is me we're gonna dive down, and this is will be called the fake out. Now we have a breakout, but the market is weak, so this one could be a fake out, guys, because the current resistance it is now around the 39.62, and we got a seller just came at the market open. That's why we have a struggle to break and go higher. RDVN is still holding. TRVI is still fighting here. PSTV Fling. Yeah. If we broke over the 11, is mean we're gonna have more. We're gonna have a more squeeze, which the FOMO will trigger the price. But yeah, it's a bit slow now. TRVI need to break the 720 now to have another squeeze up. PSTV, guys, is really risky right now. PSTV. PSTV. Yeah, I put it on the other list. Yeah, there's no action. So the only one that had action is TRVI and RDVN. SMCI is still holding the gain for today. It's fighting because the market it is a bit red. LMT. Verizon already discussed the level, man. For LMT, this one is a swing trade, brother. Yeah, it look really interesting because it started to reverse. Yeah, it hit the nice bottom around the 417. Yeah, it look really interesting now. But it's getting near the resistance around the 506, so we might have a huge pullback. How much we could jump here? Another 4%. Yeah, for a huge pullback. So I expect a huge. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback market today as well. A bit of pullback market. But TRVI is still looking really fantastic. We might have a breakout now for TRVI. Nice buyer here. Just at the market open, we did 11% from this dip. Yeah, it was quick reversal for TRVI. Let us check if we got some stock got halted now. Okay, we got net power. PDRX got halted. Right after 5 minutes. Eat V got halted as well. Or BDRX. Let's check those out. Yeah, BDRX pulled back down. This one flushed down. So yeah, we got TRVI doing all right here. TRVI. I'm gonna keep it on the list. Top gainers, RDVN. We got TRVI. Let's see if we got some news for this one. TRVI announced positive top line result from the phase 2 trial for the patient chronic cough. Interesting. Good result on the drug that fix or treat the chronic cough. Interesting. That's why TRVI jumping, guys. We have a great news. We got CKPT. Okay. What I think is offering. So I'm gonna pass. This one MLYS is not looking good. BTGX. Doesn't look good as well. TNXB jumping 20%. It was good before. Now finally jumping again. But I don't like the technical that much. TRVI, guys, resistance still around the 733. We don't break yet. We have a bit of hesitation. SMCI is the same. We said we see a bit of hesitation below the $40 or the 39.60. So we are between the resistance just below the 40 and above the support the 36. So if we want to calculate above, we need 4%, down 4%. So we are in middle. And this is show us that we have neck and neck fighting between the buyers and sellers for SMCI. There is balance between the buyers and the sellers. There is no decision yet. Yeah, TNXB, I just checked it out, man. I don't like it. Yeah, TRVI is pulling back at the moment. Palantir reverse again from the support here. SMCI, nothing much. Tesla is getting near a bottom. Nvidia is holding. MSTR is holding. Coinbase is going down. So the one that is getting juicy, guys, is Tesla. Verizon looking strong, but the volume is a bit light. And Tesla is getting hammered. I think Elon Musk is selling his shares, liquidating his shares after the bad earnings that we got for Tesla. Yeah, first bad earnings for this year. Earnings and revenue. Deficit is almost 1.5 billion, man. Yeah, it's too much. Yeah, it's too much deficit, guys. This is the first time that we have this deficit, almost 2 billion. It's too much. So that's why Tesla is hammering down right now. It's going down big time. From the almost 500 toward the 200. So it lost almost 90% already, or from here to there, almost 50%. So the valuation for the market, it is market capitalization right now less than 1 trillion. So down from 1 trillion toward 8 billion, 800 billion, and might go toward the half a trillion. This would be crazy. So if we went there, guys, below the 200, the valuation, yes, would be half a trillion. We see a lot of sellers for Tesla, and because the last earnings, guys, last earnings, we have a huge deficit for the revenue. Anyway, SMCI is the strongest right now for this list for today. The only one in green. The only one in green. We need now to break the 3960, guys, to squeeze toward the 43. So the only one left or resistance to break is the just below the $40. TNXB. What's going on with TNXB? Yeah, it's jumping, but don't like the technical that much. Still light on action. The volume is a bit light. GV, we have a really good reaction at the market open, but we got shorted here around the 4 or 686. Got shorted really quickly. We have a bit of anticipation for the market, guys, because the market did a little jump, then it pulled back. Now we're resting in between. We had this kind of reaction like the last week, and decision is still. Yeah, TRVI is still fighting, guys, here. This one jumped in the pre-markets and started to move slowly up before the market opened. We got selling pressure. We bought back. Now it's going up again toward the $10 target. That if we held this trend here, if we held this trend, would be great for a continuation. Otherwise, it will be time for a pullback. SMCI on decision, guys, still, but this is good that today we broke the trend here. We broke this trend finally. But again, sometimes even if we broke, we might have a fake out. That's why I'm watching the 3960 for a breakout to confirm that we have strength in the chart and we don't have a fake out. If we didn't and we broke the 3667, is mean a fake out and we're gonna have a flush for SMCI. For now, it's still looking good because we didn't pull back. But it's not good as well because we don't break the 3690. We should have broke it at the market open really quick and we will head toward the 40. So this is one of the signal of weakness. Like TRVI right now had a chance to break the 733, but now it's pulling back again to test this destination. So we have another weakness here for this unicorn. This time, guys, if we reverse and we bought back over this ascending channel, we're gonna have the breakout from the 733. So if there's a buyer here, this ball will break the wall and we're gonna go toward the 8 this time. Slow and steady for RVFN. This one in acquisition, guys. What's the price they bought back this stock? Rocket will pay $12.50 shares to acquire. Okay, $12.50. Now is around the $10. So there's still room to move toward at least the 1179. Otherwise, we have a pullback. But yeah, we are almost toward the acquired price, which is the 12.50, which is below the ultimate target, the 13.23. SMCI is still fighting, guys. Is not going out without a fight. SMCI. Yeah, SMCI looking really great right now. 2% not bad. But again, 2% is not enough for SMCI. We need the 43 to do another 10%. But yeah, we need to break the 93.62 now. As we said, guys, this is the breakout that we're waiting for right there. But the breakout, we have a soft breakout. TRVI, guys, testing the trend. If we broke here, if there is no buyer here, we might flush. Be careful. This is not looking good for TRVI. It's mean time for a pullback. First pullback zone should be over the 608. Yes, if we don't hold over this ascending channel right now. Yeah, SMCI looking great. Oh God, interesting. Wow. So daylight saving summertime will start on Sunday, March 3rd. Interesting. So is okay. What about US? Hmm. Okay, guys. So the daylight saving in Europe will change at the end of March. So in the coming few days, as a reminder, guys, if you live in Europe, at the coming few days, the time for our live streaming will be around 2, not 3 p.m. Central European time. Okay, just as a reminder, because I asked ChatGTP and told me this. Where's yeah, I asked ChatGTP. As you can see here, guys, in Europe, time saving, daylight saving time or some summertime in Europe is on March 30 and March 9th in US already happened on Sunday. So this is what's gonna happen. Next tomorrow, the live streaming will be around 2 p.m. Central European time. In United States, nothing will be changed, I think. But if you live in Europe, remember it will be 1 hour early. And for our Discord, the same, the live streaming will be around 12 p.m. Central European time instead of 1 p.m. This will be in effect until March 3rd or the end of March. Then the time will be resetted as usual around 3 p.m. for the live stream on YouTube and 1 p.m. for the live streaming on Discord and Patreon. But for now, we've got a time change, guys, as a reminder, time change. TRVI broke the trend here, so we have a support reversal around the 6 and the 560. Okay, so SMCI, nothing much, still below the 39, guys, 39.60. The good thing we have our breakout, but the bad thing is we're still hovering below the resistance, which is the 3960. Current support is the 3667 that we should hold at the moment. RDVN, we have acquisition for this one, so this one could continue the jump as long as we hold the current support. TRVI got shorted around the 730. Now it's pulling back, so there is a chance for a reversal. Yeah, it broke the trend here, guys. It was beautiful, but the trend has been broken. So now we have to watch for the two reversal zone, $6 right now and the 560. Interesting. Let's see. The market is a bit a bit slow. Let's see here if we got haltation. Okay, there's a lot of stock got halted. BDRX halted again. Okay. Yeah, got halted down, guys. BDRX. BDRX got halted down. It could be good if we hold the current support around the $3.37. What else? We got Elon. Elon and SXTC, ELAB maybe. No stock. Those stocks got halted, guys. So we check them out for opportunity either to buy the dip or the rip, but those stocks are dead. The only one that looked good is BDRX if it's held over the 3.37. So I'm gonna keep watching BDRX because it looked really interesting. The same for SMCI, still looking pretty good for today. TRVI, it could be nice right now for a reversal. RDVN, nothing. BDRX is still halted. And SMCI is still hovering below the resistance. STSS, Steven, STSS is reversing. Let me just check STSS. I think I put it on the other list. Yes, it's still there. Yeah, it's still good. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Yeah, it's reversed from the support over the 41. So STSS is still on. Thank you, man. I took it from the list because it pulled back a lot. I have a doubt that will reverse, but it reversed. So I'm gonna keep it on the list here because it's getting near the breakout zone, the 55. Yeah, BDRX is unhalted, guys, and we've got a resistance to break at the moment around the 433. Current support $3.37. Let me just check how much we could pull back here. 12%. Resistant 12%. Wow, this one is the midway, guys, between resistance and support. 12% up, 12% down. We are in the middle. RDVN still okay. TRVI holding tightly over the support, the $6.10. Not bad. Still not bad for TRVI. STSS, what a great reversal here. We reversed almost 23%, guys, after 15 minutes from the market open. Did we get halted for STSS? Let's check. Let's double check if we got halted for STSS for today. Nope, no haltation, which is good. It might get halted if we broke the 55, by the way. Yeah, there's a huge chance that we're gonna get halted if we broke this level. Yeah, the market is kind of neutral right now. Yeah, it's crazy that the market is pretty much neutral. And the reason is because Bitcoin is, yeah. Remember, guys, Bitcoin, it is a bit weak because we broke the trend here, but it's still holding the support, so there's no panic yet. And if we check coin market cap to see the, yeah, it is extreme fear, guys, right now. Look at that, around the 17. So whatever the price go below the 17, we are in the extreme fear. We didn't go on the red side yet because we need to go below the 15 to be officially in the extreme fear. Last month's fear, last week fear, yesterday fear. We have fear everywhere, but now extreme fear. So 17. And you see the historic value here from 35, 39 to 24, so it's getting lower. Yearly low, it was around the 20, so this is a new low, guys, for the fear. A new low toward the 17. So if we hit the 15 or the 10, Bitcoin should be around the 66 or beyond. And this will be a huge extreme fear. And of course, opportunity. TRVI is still pulling back, guys, testing the support technically right now. So if we don't have a faster reversal, is me, we're gonna dip some more. GV reversed. Are you sure? Yeah, it's kind of reversed, but you know, I didn't like this rejection, man, at the market open. It's really shady. So GV, if it's held over the 495 is okay. Otherwise, it's not good anymore, brother. It's not worth it if it doesn't hold right now. SNOA. Will Ederson. SNOA. What's going on with this one? 57%, but there's always a but. It is a bit shady. Yeah, we got some levels. It might go toward yeah, it already hit the resistance now around the 326. If it's held over the 292 could be good to go toward the 350, but now we already hit the kind of the resistance around the $3.26. So I'm gonna keep it on the list because it look interesting. TRVI, I think we're gonna continue to go down, guys, toward the 560 this time. The resistance right now is lower. The short seller added around the 640. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the level. Yeah, TRVI not good now because it's pulling back a lot. Yeah, STSS, you see, guys? Yeah, lost the momentum from the reversal from the 41. Could be good for later, but not now. As a reminder, guys, from tomorrow on, the live streaming on YouTube will start around 2 p.m. Central European time instead of 3. Around 2 p.m., guys. Okay, if you live in Europe. And for our live streaming on Discord, it is around instead of 1 p.m., it is around 12. 12, 12, 12. 12 p.m. Central European time. Just as a reminder, this is for anyone who live in Europe. Just take 1 hour and put it behind much earlier. And the reason is because of daylight saving. And daylight saving, it changed in US, I think yesterday. For us in Europe will change in end of this month. So yeah, this time will be in after 20 days from now. After that will be the same because the time will be like increase for us 1 hour. So nothing will be changed. But yeah, from now on until the end of this month, the time will be the diminished or just subtract 1 hour from our daily live streaming. So everything will be changed for now. Smart money buying SNDK. I will check it. SNDK. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. It is light on volume, too much. PDRX is flushing down. Still holding the support, so I'm gonna keep watching it. SNOA holding the support at 292. SMCI, nothing much, guys. It is still below the resistance, but still looking all right because it's between the resistance and support. Yes, Palantir for a swing, of course. It's still holding the first support. I will add the I will update the level for Palantir. It's still holding the 78.64, so as long as we hold here is good. Tesla looking really great for a dip, guys. MSTR, not yet. Mara, not yet. Coinbase, not yet. So yeah, Tesla looking really juicy. Verizon, guys, this is the only one that is green with Best Buy. We're gonna do update later on, guys, on our Discord to update you for the levels, the best dips for today. The swing trade, we're gonna put it on the King Elite swing trade. If you want to have access to this swing trades, guys, like what we did for Palantir, AVGO, Rocket Lab, NVIDIA before. If you want to have the best entry for them, you can join our Patreon on the King or the Elite level in order to have access to the swing trade that we're going to do today, because the market is doing great to buy discounted price for mini stocks. For the swing trade, guys, we only discuss the good blue chip companies, strong fundamentally and technically. So that's why we call them swing trades. So we're gonna do updates over there. Have almost 2 or 3 swing trades that we're gonna post after we finish this live streaming. And after that, we're gonna update you guys about the day trade or unicorn, because at the market open, we don't have a good setup. BDRX EC right now is flashing. STSS could be good. SNOA could be good. TRVI could be good. So we have few stocks that I'm watching closely to do, of course, update for it, and SMCI, of course, on the unicorn hunt. After we finish our live streaming right now, guys, we're gonna do update right now on our Discord for the best entry for today, of course. So join us, guys, for on Discord and Patreon later on for the latest update and support updates, resistant target profit for all the stocks. In the meantime, guys, stay humbled. Don't overtrade. Let the price come to you. Never run after the price. And see you in a bit on our Discord and Patreon. In the meanwhile, remember tomorrow the live streaming will be 1 hour earlier at usual time because of daylight saving until the end of this March. After that, everything will be turned at the same time. Okay, just subtract 1 hour if you live in Europe. Okay, just 1 hour. It's mean tomorrow the live stream on YouTube will start around 2 p.m. Central European time instead of 3. And our Discord will be around 12 instead of 1. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.